Welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and in today's video I will be guiding you how to log into Bath and Body Works employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL type in employee login Bath and Body Works. Then press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to multiple search results as you can see on this interface. Now from all the search results, head over to the second link that says hraccess.bbwcorp.com. Once you click on this link, that will directly take you to this login portal, and as you can see on this interface at the left hand side, you will be asked to enter your username. There, enter your employee ID. Then press enter on your keyboard. Again, you will be asked to enter your password. Enter your correct password, and once you are done entering your password, again hit the enter on your keyboard. After that, you will be logged into your employee account. So that's how you can log into the Bath and Body Works employee account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.